podcast के through.
Do you think all men somewhere look for their mother in the girlfriend?
I think even women look for a father in the boyfriend. I think both need to have roles. It can't be fully going. Both have to parent each other.
I feel not always. I don't think women have that always.
All the girls I've dated, maybe that's my type also, but I've noticed this about girls from far. I've noticed this about human beings. You want that parenting from above on some level. What is all this attachments, like acts of service, love languages?
I don't think I've ever looked for a parent in my partner.
Yeah?
I don't think so.
Okay, आपकी love language क्या है?
Love language मेरी या what I expect?
Same ही है.
What I want. हाँ. I think just smaller things that effort in a concise way. Effort, I think. When you make an effort for the other person, the smaller things you remember. Just a nice hug when you need it. That good morning message. Just the fact that you don't have to ask for attention or love. It is there because they want it to be there. Just remembering small things, you know.
जो actually in a human experience आपकी family आपके लिए करती है.
No, family, of course, you look for a family and a partner and a companion. See, family is what God gives us, and your partner is the only family that you choose.
Okay.
Apart from your friends also, but still. The one that you live with. So somewhere you look for everything that you want in family also.
I don't know, I feel...
But yeah, you want home in that person, in a way. Right? You want to be at ease, you want to be at your all guards down, not being judged.
एक बहुत psychological perspective से, hyper psychological, I define that as a form of a parent only.
See, parent is a very different... parent is more just protect. Parent is not companionship, I feel. Companionship is...
Combination of parenting and friendship.
Yeah, you look for friendship. Very important, I feel. You know, to be able to talk for hours, to be able to be stupid, you know, with each other. Like do stuff that is embarrassing and dumb and laugh over it.
Okay.
That.
100% sure you're going to marry. In life.
In life, of course.
Kids?
I want.
Yeah.
I love kids.
क्यों चाहिए बच्चे?
Because I love kids. I feel like that makes family, you know, eventually.
Family life is a goal?
Part of my goal. Part of life.
Part of the perfect vision for life.
I don't think there's any perfect life, but I do envision myself having a sweet family that I come back to from doing whatever I love doing in my professional space and just finding peace there and just feeling happy and at ease.
जब आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ होता है, nowadays a lot of the conversations are about potential family life.
Potential
Like
family.
लड़कियों से जब बात करें तो
Yeah.
conversations about egg freezing and all that.
Yeah.
लड़कों से बात करें it's about finances. Have your finances in place, bro? Will you be able to pay for the kid?
I mean, to be honest, हाँ लड़कों से ज़्यादा ये बात होती है. I think, see, I feel like a lot of the societal things need to change.
Yeah.
Little bit. Like how we're trying to shift this whole men-women thing also, the balance has been
Gender
off.
roles.
Yeah. Gender roles in general, I feel. I feel when you talk about a partner, it's a partner. You have to be partners in life, you know. So I feel we've defined these roles very conveniently कि ये तुम्हारा काम है, ये मेरा काम है. But eventually ये दोनों का काम है.